sisters, dear students, myself Vijay Pratap Singh. I am a commerce teacher. Today we are going to introduce about money market. In front of you, I have written this topic about money market. Money market is a very important part of our marketing process. With the help of that, we can able to know these all functions and how we can able to know about the money market. So now listen, in front of you I have written money market is a market for short-term function fund management for use for a period up to 1 year. Once again listen, money market is a market for short-term fund meant for use for a period of up to 1 year. It is a very important part. Money market is a short-term period and we are using for a 1 year only. In other words, we can say generally money market is the source of finance of working capital. With the help of money market, we can able to get financial support for working capital. When we need working capital, we have to do money market. जब हमें फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल की आवश्यकता होती है तब हम मनी मार्केट में जाते हैं, पैसे के बाजार में. मीन्स फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड कॉमर्शियल बैंक्स आर देयर. विद द हेल्प ऑफ बोथ वी आर गेटिंग दिस टाइप्स ऑफ फैसिलिटीज. सो once again I am repeating about the money market. Money market is a very important part of our financial support. With the help of that, we are getting working capital. And working capital is a very important part of our money market. Before this lecture, I had explained you in money market two types of peoples are there. First one is a saver and second one is a borrower. Two peoples are be there in the money market. Come on the point after that. Features of money market. Now we are going to discuss about the features of money market. First one is given in front of you. Market for short term. The first feature is given in front of you. Money market is for a short term. Okay. Once again listen. Market for short term. Second one is given in front of you. No fixed geographical location. Features of money market. Second feature is given in front of you. No fixed geographical location. With the help of that, we can say it is present each and everywhere. With the help of that, we can able to achieve these types of great financial and working capital. We can get each and every time and anywhere with the help of money market. Money market is a very important part of our working capital. With the help of that, we can able to finance our working capital. And next one is given in front of you. Major institutions. Major institutions like commercial bank, LIC, GIC, ETC or RBI. These are the examples of major institutions. RBI, LIC, a lot of things are there. Generally you have to know commercial bank, LIC, GIC or RBI. These are the major institutions. And last one is given in front of you. Common institution. Common institution, we have to know call money, treasury bills, CP, CD, commercial bills, etc. These are the examples of commercial institutions. Now, dear students, we have to discuss next topic, instrument of money market. In front of you, I have written 5 topics. This is the example of instrument of money market. First one is given about that call money. The money borrowed for length on demanded for a short period, which is generally for 1 day. That one is call money. Clear? Second one is given in front of you, treasury bills. With the help of treasury bills, we can able to know these things. Treasury bills are issued by Reserve Bank of India. Who is issuing? RBI. Treasury bills are issued by with the help of RBI, and is a very important part of that. This is the behalf of the government of India. With the help of that, we can also get borrowed fund. And next one is given commercial bill. Trade bills, according to that, we can say credit purchase and credit sale, and short term and long term, these are coming in the commercial bills. With the help of that, we can able to achieve these types of functions, and these are the very important part. Next one is given commercial paper. The commercial paper are introduced in India for the first time on 1990. 1990 में ये पहली बार भारत में आया या इसे इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया. With the help of that, we can able to get some fixed assets for 3 months to 12 months. 3 महीने से 12 महीने के लिए हम किसी भी प्रकार की राशि को लोन ले सकते हैं. The commercial banks and mutual funds, the main instructions of the commercial paper. कॉमर्शियल पेपर में सबसे पहला है हमारा म्यूचुअल फंड या कॉमर्शियल बॉन्ड्स. दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. एंड लास्ट वन इज गिवन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ डिपॉजिट. इट इज द टाइम पीरियड which should be security market only on the bank can issue CD. Means certificate of deposit the bank can only issue. This is the very important part. With the help of that, we can able to know these are the things. So dear students, once again you have to know this is a money market, and money market is a very important part. मनी मार्केट हमारे लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है. अगर हमें किसी भी वर्किंग कैपिटल की आवश्यकता है, हमें फाइनेंस करना है, हमें पैसे की आवश्यकता है, तो हम बाजार में जाएंगे. कहाँ? पैसे के बाजार में, जहाँ कॉमर्शियल बैंक या फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस होंगे जो हमें फाइनेंस करने के लिए तत्पर होंगे, जिसके माध्यम से हम वर्किंग कैपिटल को फाइनेंस करेंगे, जो शॉर्ट टर्म हो सकता है, मिड टर्म हो सकता है और लॉन्ग टर्म हो सकता है, जिसकी सहायता से हमारा बिजनेस नंबर 1 पोजीशन पे पहुंचेगा. इसे कहते हैं मनी मार्केट. मनी मार्केट में 2 लोग होते हैं, एक सेवर, दूसरा बोरोवर. आफ्टर दैट फीचर ऑफ मनी मार्केट, मैंने 4 फीचर बताया. मार्केट फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म, नो फिक्स ज्योग्राफिकल लोकेशन, मेजर इंस्ट्रक्शंस, institutions and common institutions. 4 types are there. After the instruments of money market, so instruments are given here 5. First one is the call money, second one is the treasury bills, and fourth is the commercial bill, and next one is the commercial paper, and last one is the certificate of deposit. With the help of that, we can able to know this is the money market, and here is the features and instruments are given in front of you. With the help of that, dear students, you have to make your notes, revise it well, and subscribe my channel and share my video to others also. Thank you all for listening my lecture. Thank you.